In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this gear at the top of it. Then select Theme section, scroll down and click on one of those themes to apply the best one. I will go with this one. Now manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you finished, hit apply. So when I go back and check my keyboard, I can see that theme of it has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to the same settings and tap on this plus under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!